Hey guys, Matt here again from HandyLifeHacks.com. Today is day number, 19, I think, of my whole 90-day Whole 30 challenge. So I mentioned yesterday that I was fasting, and I had fasted all day, and really ever since lunchtime on Wednesday, and finally broke it today, which actually leads me to an important point, I think, in this video series that I'm making. I've been referring to this as a whole 90, a whole 30, 90-day challenge, but it's really kind of become something else, I guess. I've been eating all whole 30 compliant stuff. I haven't deviated from that at all. But I've been fasting a lot more than I expected, a lot more than I intended, and it's kind of become I don't know, lose 55 pounds in 90 days by all means necessary type of a thing. So I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. I'm not sure that I'm going to continue to call it a whole 90 because I feel like that's slightly disingenuous. Anyway, got on the scale this morning, and as of this morning, I weigh 219.4 pounds, which is a 1.4 pound loss from yesterday. And what is that? A 20.6 pound loss altogether in today's, in 18 days. So I'm still doing very well. I anticipate that tomorrow I'll probably weigh the same, if not slightly more, just because we had a heavy dinner, or at least I feel like we did after fasting for as long as I did. So anyway, rundown of the day. For breakfast, I did end up having a little bit for breakfast just to start getting some food back in my system because I knew we were going to have a heavier dinner tonight. So I had some olives in a cup of broth, and I just heated that up in the microwave. If you've never done that, it's pretty good. I get weird looks at work when I do that, but I don't care. It's good, and it's satisfying. It does what it needs to do. So then for lunch, last night I didn't eat any of it, but last night we made some Whole 30 meatloaf. And as usual, you can find the recipe on my blog, and the link is in that description below. So I had some of the meatloaf, and I had some crunchy detox salad, I think it's called. It has red cabbage and cauliflower and a bunch of other things in it. And I'll leave that recipe in the link, or in the on my blog, and the link down below. So let's see. Then for dinner, we had burgers because today's Friday, and that's just kind of what the kids have come to expect, I guess. We were having pizza for a long time, which is probably part of the reason why I got this gut. So, but yeah, we switched over to burgers, and of course we have our Whole 30 buns, and then I put some guacamole on one side of the burger patty. It's just an all beef patty, Kirkland brand. And then on the other side, just some of the Whole 30 mayo, and it was really good. And then I actually picked up some pork rinds at the store. Yes, pork rinds. They are Whole 30 compliant, believe it or not. And they were really good. You have to check the recipe, or check the ingredients, though, because sometimes the ingredients, I noticed, I looked through, I think, 2 different brands before I found one that was actually compliant. But some of the ingredients contain corn, so I don't know what they do with the corn because they're pork rinds. But anyway, the ones I got, the ingredients list just said pork rinds and salt. So I'm pretty sure I'm safe there. So anyway, that is the rundown of my day. And like I said, we'll see what tomorrow brings. I don't have really high hopes, but I feel like I did pretty well throughout this week. So we'll see. And then, of course, pick back up after that. So anyway, thanks for watching. This has gone a little longer than I expected, but thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video.